Hello everyone, in our today's English live class we have learnt a poem about two mother. In this poem we have seen how our mother loves us and how they are so special to us. So before starting up the poem there is a warm-up activity for all of us where you have to draw a picture of your mother in the space provided. You have to say two things that you like about her. Okay, now coming up to the poem. Let us read this poem about a mother's love and care. Every mouse and bumblebee, every bird up in a tree. What they are saying that every mouse, we are talking about all the mouse, not one but every. Or bumblebee, any bee, okay? Every bird up in a tree, the birds that are living up on the tree, we are talking about all the birds. Every caterpillar and ladybug. Every single caterpillar we are talking about loves to feel her mother's hug. Just as your mother's hug is special for you, similarly, their mother's hug is also special for them. Every bear so fat and funny. Oh my God, this bear is so fat and funny, right? Similarly, all the bears are so fat and thus they look cute. Loves his mother more than honey. You know what? These bears love mothers more than the honey, just as woodland creatures do. Woodland creatures means over here, woodland means the forest, animals. All the animals which lives in the forest. Here, mother, that's how I love you. Just as all these animals love their mother, Mama, I also love you in the same way. By the story, we are telling our mothers that we love them a lot. So here is a poem. Read this poem again. Learn the poem. And as you can see, there are rhyming words written in this poem. We have already discussed in our earlier classes. What do we mean by rhyming words? Rhyming words are those words which are the same sounding words. The end of those words sound somewhat same, like bee, tree, bug, hug, funny, honey. So these are the sounding words. They sound same. Do, you. So these are known as the rhyming words. Do read the poem again, everyone. Goodbye. Have a nice day.